because I think Roland took my memory card and I don't really feel like going through my other memory cards to delete shit, and I'm kind of in a bad mood. But I'm vlogging because I'm going to look at some apartments today. Why did I yell that? I'm going to look at some apartments today because I have to move like the end of February, and I'm eating this like weird thing that I got at Harvest Bar, which is like my favorite acai place up the street from here. They just opened one, but the other one, they only have like 2 locations, but the other one's in the Valley in Sherman Oaks. I used to go there when I lived in the Valley, but now they have one over here, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this thing, and then I have to go see an apartment in like an hour-ish. 40 minutes. Yeah. So we're on our way to go see the Apartamente, and Roland's coming along because moral support, you know.
Yeah, Julia needs it. She needs a nice man to help her out, to get her little apartment.
I just didn't really want to go by myself.
Because they might be killers.
No. This is a nice apartment. We already saw an apartment 2 days ago that I actually think I'm gonna get. So unless these are like top notch, off the chain, I don't think I'm gonna choose them because they're a little bit more expensive than the one I found. We're just gonna go and check it out, and I'll show you a little tour of what we find, you know, a little empty apartment tour, and it may or may not be the one I move into. We're here. We're in the garage. Leasing Parkling. Let's go see the place. We're in the lobby of the leasing office. It's so fancy. It's a fake plant. I like the washer and dryer. I like how it has like the windows. Does the closet come? Oh yeah, it has a door. Does it come with like the actual like, yeah, the shelving? That's good. Is this a closet?
Yeah.
Ooh, more closet space. Yeah, I like the pattern. This looks so nice. You can get like a big tub and a shower in one. So open.
Yes. So if you get big furniture or whatnot, this is definitely a better option.
The bathroom is pretty similar. So we just stopped at this place called Humble Potato, sorry. And I got a salad with some fries, I'll show you in a second, and a avocado chocolate shake. It's good. Pretty avocado-y. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna go see the next place for today, okay? Yes. But I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos while I eat. Okay, so we made it to the next apartment that we're gonna see today, and there's like no parking available. Did you find a spot?
Yeah, I totally did not find a spot yet.
This sucks, and I'm about to be late.
Oh, that's a slice. There's a slice pizza is like the bombest pizza place.
Well, you got a pizza after we go see the place.
Oh my god, slice pizza is amazing.
I mean, I guess we could just park and guess parking down below and just go around again. I don't know. We'll let you know when we figure this out. Good, it has a washer and dryer. This is like the living room. Is it patio?
Yeah. With the den would be like in this area here.
I mean, like, even though it's not renovated, it's not a bad kitchen.
No.
I like the breakfast countertop area. I feel like that's kind of cool.
It sounds like a big house, our old house.
Yeah. Oh, we got a big closet. This one's like brighter, this room. Would you come work out? Is that vending machine? Would you come work out in the gym room? They have weights. I feel like I could definitely work out here. Alright, you guys, so I'm back from the second place. Now let's talk about it. By the way, I'm laying on my bed without any sheets on because I'm washing them. It's a sheet laundry day. So the last one I saw was the cheapest, but the wind opened my door. The last one I saw was the cheapest, but I didn't find out what their 6-month rate was, so it might not actually be as cheap as I'd hoped for. It wasn't that nice. Like, I don't know, the walls were kind of stucco-y, and I don't like stucco. I'm sorry, it just feels like asbestos. I know that has nothing to do with that, but like, I just picture it in my brain. Anyway, not the point. I really like the place I saw a few days ago. But yeah, I sort of just jumped into this vlog without explaining why I'm moving. Basically, I live in this really nice townhouse in like West LA right now, and I really like this area, and I plan on staying in this area, and I really like the building I'm in. So I looked at a few places in the building, but there weren't anything really like available that was like in my price range. And so the reason I have to move is because I have 2 roommates right now, Morgan and Rachel. Rachel decided that she's gonna get a house with her team, and they're moving to basically the old town I used to live in the valley, and I wasn't invited to move along with them, but it's cool because I want to stay in this area anyway, so it's like, yeah. And then Morgan, she has to move because she's gonna be starting school in Arizona in the fall, and since we're ending it, she just decided she's gonna go back to San Diego. And so now it's just me, and Roland's gonna help me with the move and all because he's nice like that. But now I need to like really downsize because we're living in a townhouse, and I mean, I keep almost everything in my room anyway, but the bedrooms in these places that I'm looking at are so small. I mean, I thought this bedroom was a downsize from my last bedroom, but man, like, those bedrooms are smaller than the bedroom I have now. And this bedroom's not like, it's like a small bedroom, it's like a decent size, but I don't know. Property in LA, man, it's expensive. So yeah, I am staying in LA for the next 6 months or so at least. I mean, we'll see what I want to do at the end of the 6 months. I might just move to another place, or like release, or I don't know, leave LA, stay in LA. I don't know, but it just gives me options if I do the 6 months rather than a year. Yeah, that's basically what's going down. I have to move by February 15th-ish. I feel like that's a good time because my lease is up at the end of February. So it gives me enough time to like comfortably move in, get this place cleaned up, and all that jazz. I'm seeing one more place tomorrow. I'll film that and put it in this vlog, so it'll be like a continued thing. We'll see. I like having space. Mostly because I spend like all day at home. Okay. Well, we'll go see the place tomorrow, and I'll continue the vlog then. Peace. It's the next day. I just got ready for the day. I worked out. Got things together. My hair's like really flat, so I might just wear this hat or beret at some point, but still vlogging on my phone because I haven't cleared memory off my cards, but I'm in a rush. I gotta go see this last apartment, and then we have an event this afternoon, a Kiehl's event, so I'll bring you along. Let's go, let's go. kitchen. The kitchen's nice.
And here's the washer and dryer.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. It comes with 2 parking.
Oh, really?
Tandem.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I mean, the parking's not bad. You can
Yeah.
see there's a gas parking and there's a meter.
We just saw the last and final place. Roland, what'd you think? Give me a little more,
I felt that
feels.
it was okay. The amenities didn't really add up to the price range, you know.
Place number 1 that you guys never got to see because I didn't vlog, is still up there as a winner. I mean, this place was nice. As you saw, it was modern. I really like the modern feel. It wasn't a loft. It was definitely a 1-bedroom. It was pretty spacious though. The A place is smaller in size, and the bathroom was really nice in this place. But it's more money, and I don't know. The kitchen was really nice. It had a walk-in closet, and it also had like a sliding closet in the bedroom.
Are you gonna have some sweet potato fries so I get some right now?
Yeah, I mean, I'll go into the burger place with you and like check it out. Anyway, I have to make my final decision today on what place I'm gonna move to and send in my application. So, you know. I think I already have it in my brain which one I'm gonna pick, but you guys comment down below which one you think I should pick. And I guess we'll just do like a big reveal when I move, and I'll do like an empty apartment tour. How does that sound? Got like a Minute Maid lemonade berry thing. Low-key disappointed because they didn't have vegan buns and their veggie burger wasn't vegan. So I had to get a falafel on a lettuce wrap. Oh well, hopefully it's good. The falafel in like a wrap thing that I wanted a bun, but they didn't have a vegan bun. And then the fries, I already tried them, they're really good. So I'm gonna eat this. Hey you guys, sorry for the bad quality. I forgot to film an outro. It's a few days later. I also forgot to film the event that I went to for Keels. But anyway, it's fine. So comment down below which apartment you think I should pick. And the next vlog you see will be like the big reveal of the empty apartment that I pick. And I will see you in that vlog or my previous vlog. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Peace, heart. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.